Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then hi, my name is Navya Jain. I'll be really happy if you take a moment, like, share and subscribe my channel below. So today I'm going to do my first Q&A, and I had kept on my Instagram story that asked me questions I can answer on YouTube, and after that I got many questions, but I shortlisted them and got 18 questions out of them. So, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle will be here somewhere. So yes, let's begin. The first question is what's my height? So my height is 5'2", but I was the tiniest in my group. I am still the tiniest, but yeah, I tried going basketball, but then when I started basketball, this quarantine situation came. And I also go cycling like some days. So the next question is which caste are you of? So I'm a Hindu Marwadi Jain. But I don't understand. I understand Marwadi, but I can't talk Marwadi. It's like just too confusing. But I try to talk in Marwadi because I try to speak in Marwadi, but it just turns out to be bullshit. So that's that. Then the next question is, do you like pasta or nachos? I don't like either of them. Favorite is pizza. But if I had to choose between pasta and nachos, most probably pasta because it's second prior. So alioli is my favorite out of all. So the next question is foreign vlog kab. So it's just ekdam half question. So foreign vlog jab aayega tab aayega, because right now it's full lockdown situation, and yeah, whenever I'm going I will of course shoot, and abhi chote vlogs will come because I'll be traveling thoda bahut idhar udhar chote. So that will come on my channel. So yeah. So the next question is, how do I manage my studies with my channel? So it's like for abhi lockdown period mein to it'll go well because I can study also, I can do my videos also like simultaneously whenever I get time. And after school starts, I will have to see because I will have tuitions and school and then studies agar alag se. So that will be a little problem. So after that we will see. So the next question is, have you ever been lost and how was your experience to it? So my experience was not quite good, but I'll tell you the story. So I was lost in Singapore, Malaysia, Jurong Bird Park. So it was me, my mom and my sister who were there alone. Not alone, but yeah. And my dad had not come, he was in the room. So we three were walking and we stopped to see flamingos, and I was really very fascinated by that. So I stopped and I was looking at them continuously, and my mom and my sister didn't see that I was not going along with them. So they just walked away, and I was standing there finding my mom crying like, where's mommy? So yeah, that was there. And also then I was crying. I went to a man, of course I knew English, so I asked that guy to help me out. I called my mother at that time, and then she wasn't answering. So there is that where you call out your name and wherever you're lost you come there. No, so there you come, then you pick up your child or whatever you've lost over there. So yeah, that had happened, and then I was with my family, and then I came. That was not exactly lost, but I was. So the next question is, what's your YouTube channel ka name? I don't have any channel ka name, it's just on my name, like my name is Navya Jain, of course. And yeah, I don't have any specific name to my YouTube channel, and I've never even thought of giving it a name because yeah, it's nice, simple. So I didn't. So the next question is, which school and which grade are you in? So I go to Gopi Birla Memorial School and I'm in the grade 8th. So yeah. So the next is top 3 actresses. Like I've said in my pehle ka video also, it's Alia Bhatt, Deepika Padukone and Kiara Advani. So these 3 are very good. Like their acting is also too good. Then next question is, which is your favorite ice cream and which is your favorite color? So my favorite ice cream is the Baskin & Robbins ka bubblegum ice cream, cotton candy. And my favorite color is pastel pink and pastel purple. Next question is, do you have any sister, and do you and your sister share a good bond? So yes, I have a sister. Her picture will be somewhere here. And yes, we share a very good bond because it's just 1.5 year ka difference. I know we fight thoda bahut, but it's okay. Every sibling have fights. So yes, do you have any brother? So no, we are only two, one me and my sister. Yeah, so it's only me and my sister. So the next question is, what age are you? I am 13 right now, but in December 19, I will turn 14. On December 19, I will turn 14. So yes, I'm excited for my birthday. And 2006. So yeah. Things you admire about yourself. So, things that I admire about myself is that I have confidence in having my own YouTube channel, and I like my smile and my eyes. Like, I get a lot of compliments. And they say that itni choti age mein you are doing this, and I like that about myself. So, yeah, that's what I admire about myself. So, yeah. Then the next question is, what do you think of representing yourself in the next 10 years? So, I represent myself as an influencer most probably, and hopefully. So yes, that's what I represent myself in the next 10 years. So next is, who is the most closest person to you? So it's my family and my sister, and yeah, my sister and I share a very very good bond, and she's like the closest to me.
My father.
So the next question is, what would you wish people would stop asking about you? So many people, like whenever I go out and whenever I'm clicking pictures, so my friends are like, "Why you're so fat? You're looking so fat from the side. You're looking so fat from the beginning. Stand aise, stand aise." Okay, I am fat. I know that very well. But then that of course I'd like them to stop and just mind your own business. And also whenever if I'm going somewhere and I'll be looking thoda dark because I have a complexion which is dark and dusky. So like, you're so dusky. Why you're so dusky? Do something na to your face. So I don't want to do. I like the way I am, and yeah, dark people have good hearts. So keep that in mind, guys. So the next question is, the best comeback you've ever heard. So the best comeback I've heard was in Gossip Girl, which Blair had said that, "Do you have any idea of the psychological torture I have been endured being nice to you?" That was the best. So yeah, I've heard that, and not money. Like yeah. The next question is again from one of my friends, because that person knows how annoying and irritating my sister is. So the question is that, how do you handle Mehak? Mehak is my sister. She is one big drama queen, and it's very very difficult to handle her drama. So that's there. And also, as I told you pehle, I love dogs, and I told you that time that she's a dog. तो जैसे डॉग को हैंडल करते वैसे ही हैंडल करना पड़ता है उसको. तो yeah, that's it. So she's also very sweet at times. I have to say this because she's sitting right next to me over here, and she's giving me ऐसा looks. And she's sweet, of course. She helps me in like everything mostly. My school projects is done by her. Everything. She makes me study sometimes, and yeah, that's it. Of course, all sisters have to do it, and if she doesn't do it, then she knows what. How do you shoot your videos? Like right now I shoot it with my father's phone, and sometimes I shoot it from my phone, like the Amity Valley vlog I shot with my phone. But yeah, mostly phone is there and no camera for now, but soon. Do you have a sister? Yeah, I've already answered that. One sister. So the next question is, what's my hobby? My hobby is like mostly dancing and singing, like thoda bahut, and making videos and all. So that is my hobby, and I want to dance. Like I had dance classes before lockdown, but then. So the next question is like a joke played by my friend in this building. Your favorite neighbor. So I have only two people who I'm very close to in this entire building. Is one uncle, Pinku uncle, who has shifted to Dubai recently. His real name is Nilesh. And the other one is Tanisha. She's also like in the 11th right now, and we are very close. So yeah, that's there, and I really miss him a lot. He's shifted. Like I used to chill at his house like almost full day.
Nice.
So guys, that was it for the questions and it for the video. So hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like such videos, let me know. And also don't forget to follow my sister on Instagram and me. So yeah, thank you.